Hi, my name is Andra Parviainen, and I am going to present my professional identity. I am a professional nurse. Becoming a nurse is a very important profession for me because it provides a personally fulfilling career with opportunity to positively impact the individual's health and well-being. We also offer a stable profession with a high demand and have a diverse paths. What I love most of becoming a nurse is we make a significant impact. We provide direct and compassionate care, and we provide um, education, advocacy, and are often the healthcare professionals with the most direct contact with the patient. We are compassionate in providing care, and this is most important factor in the patient's recovery and well-being. We offer support, comfort, and hope during vulnerable times. It is one of the profession that has the opportunity to see the circle of life from the beginning and also at the end. So, as a profession, we need to handle those different um, cycles or different stages in life professionally, ethically, and in a delicate manner. We nurses play an important role because we serve as a voice for our patients. Without a nurse, it will be chaos. Mm, Patient care and patient safety would be mm, difficult. So we, I could say that in the healthcare system, we are mm, we are the guards. Uh, we ensure that our patients' voice are mm, heard, and we advocate for them. What I am excited always in the nursing profession is that it offers a vast array of specialties and settings. So after graduating the bachelor degree, we can proceed to a master's degree and then we can continue to a doctorate degree. And we can work from pediatrics to geriatrics, from hospitals. It's there are a lot of opportunities there. And it is really a high demand job. There are also choices like being in the academe or being in the clinical side. And we can also be a nurse traveling in the different parts of the world. So nursing profession is a competitive profession and it requires continuous learning or professional advancement and specializations. We nurses build strong professional relationships with our colleagues, with our patients. And the professional identity in nursing, it is a sense of oneself in relationship with others, that is influenced by the characteristics, norms, and values of the nursing discipline, resulting in the individual thinking, acting, and feeling like a nurse. To summarize our professional identity, we are nurses have these values and ethics and this strong knowledge in caring. We have these skills as a leader and professional comportment. Thank you so much.